I'll get right to it. Before we proceed to guitar solo, you must know how to play the 5 positions of guitar. Guitar has 5 positions which you must learn, such that when you are doing your solo work, you will not be restricted to one position. Some people are used to one position. For example, when you are doing your solo work, so we'll be working on the 5 positions of guitar, one after the other. So we'll be using G major, yes, G major as a case study. So after the first position, we now move to the second position. We now match them, linking the first position and the second position. After doing that, we now move to the third position. After the third position, we move to the fourth. After the fourth, we now link the third and the fourth position. Then from first to the second, third, fourth, thereafter fifth position, and so on. Then before we proceed to solo, okay, let's proceed to the major scale, the first position, off neck of guitar. Like I said, we're using key G major as a case study. The G major, which is our root, is on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, which is the low E string. Whatsoever you are playing, for example, you are playing on the 2nd fret, make use of finger 1. So whatsoever you are playing on the 3rd fret, make use of finger 2. Whatsoever you are playing on the 4th fret, make use of finger 3. Whatsoever you are playing on this 5th fret, make use of finger 4. Playing something like this, for example, using this finger 1 to play, for example, Do here, using it on Re, so it's not allowed. Try and make use of the tip of your fingers. So like I said, we don't grow. If you watch my previous videos, you see we don't grow fingernails. Guitarist doesn't grow fingernails. So as you can see my fingernail. So if your fingernails have grown, try to cut them. So let's start. On this 3rd fret of the 6th string, we make use of finger 2 to play the root Do. Then here we have the 2nd note, which is Re, on the 5th fret. Re on the 5th fret. So on this 6th string, we are having 2 notes here, which is Do, Re. So these are the 2 notes we have here, Do, Re. So do this more than 7 times, Do, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. Okay, let's proceed to the next note, Mi, Fa, Sol. So the Mi, Fa, Sol is on the 5th string, known as A string. So as you can see, on this 2nd fret of the 5th string, Mi, make use of finger 1, then Fa, make use of finger 2, which is on the 3rd fret, then Sol, make use of finger 4, which is on the 5th fret. So having done that, so we now play Mi, Fa, Sol. So do this more than 7 times, Mi, Fa, Sol, more than 7 times against to it. Then the next note on the next string, which is this string. On this string, the first note here is on the 2nd fret. 2nd fret, make use of finger 1, La, La. Then on the same string, we have T. T is on the 4th fret of the same string, which is this string, T. So make use of your finger 3. C, then do on the 5th fret. Do. So on this string we have 3 notes, which is La, Ti, Do. So do this more than 7 times. La, Ti, Do. Okay, let's proceed to G string. On G we have the first note here. Take note, from this Do here to this Do here is the first octave. So we just played the first octave, which is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So we just played the first octave. So let's proceed to the second octave. On the second octave we have Re here, which is on the G string, our first note on the 2nd fret. Re. So the G string is the 3rd string. Re. Then Mi. Mi is on the 4th fret. Mi. Then Fa. Fa is on the 5th fret. So on the G string we have 3 notes there. Re, Mi, Fa. Do this more than 7 times. Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa. So let's proceed to the next string. So on the next string, which is B string, we have Sol. Sol is on the 3rd fret of the B string, which is also known as the 2nd string. Sol, Sol. Then the La. On the same string, we have La on the 5th fret. So that is Sol, La, Sol, La, Sol, La. So do this more than 7 times. Sol, Sol, La, Sol, La. Okay, let's proceed to the high E string, which is the 4th string, the tiniest string. We have Ti, Do, Re. So we are having 3 notes here. The first note here is on the 2nd fret. Ti, Do. So the Do is on the 3rd fret. Do. We have extra notes here. Re. So do this more than 7 times. Ti, Do, Re, Ti, Do, Re, Ti, Do, Re. So after doing this, the next is to descend the note by going up. Do. The same procedure. Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. One more time. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. The first octave, second octave. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re. Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. I have an assignment for you. So after mastering this in key G major, after mastering the finger placement, the finger movement on G, then you now proceed to G sharp and do the same thing. Use the same pattern to play the same Solfa note. Make use of the same pattern. So whatever you are playing on this C string, which is low E, So you are to use the same pattern to play the same thing on every key here. Here we have G, like I said, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So use the same pattern to play everything. So it's the same procedure. For example, here we have G, G sharp. Okay, we'll pick our do here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. So A, the same pattern of finger movement. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. A sharp. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And so on. The next key. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, the next key, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where I'll be doing the second position. If you are joining us for the first time, please like, share and subscribe.